just watching this, and wait, be quiet. Let me turn this. Like,
Strangers in her basement. Well, she has an alibi.
you hear it? Like, not the TV because I just turned it all the way down. It's probably upstairs. I don't know what I'm doing.
The website where customers write reviews.
And the outdoor man grill just got a terrible one by someone who goes by Bubba. Hey.
So, see you next time. I will figure it out with is upstairs. Okay, so I'm gonna stop. Wait, I'm doing it again. Still on the same day right now. Like in the first video I did, not the first. Just want to talk about that video. I was wearing that dress. This is like a button right now, like that. And like those green colors and white colors. Yeah, like I said, I can't remember. It's that same day. So, I'm going to make a Barbie video. Like, a few minutes. We will I'm actually not saying nothing. So, see you next time at sophiana. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the big thumbs up and notifications. Hit the down notification.